There are fantastic new features implemented by the Vetrinalive team, and I'm going to show you what they are right now. So once you are inside your dashboard overview, you will have two things at your disposal. If you go under integrations, you will now also see the webhook feature. So besides Zapier, you're now also able to use webhooks to transfer any kind of data you want to. So if we go to the webhook section, you will see that you can give it a title. For example, let's say a new order, and then select the event, order created, and we can paste our webhook URL directly inside of here. So there could be Zapier, could be Integromat, you can connect to Publi, you can connect to your own CRM if you wanted to, if it supports receiving webhooks. And this allows you much more freedom to export the data that you need and implement it in your third-party platform. Another great feature is that you now have the ability to select a theme for your store. And you can access these themes by going to the customizations tab, and you will have a new option here called themes. And from here, currently 3 themes are available, 2 are added. The fall theme was already there, but now toys and clothings have been added as well. So if we take a look at the preview, so this will be your front end store. If we scroll down, you see it has an amazing layout. And if we do so for the clothing section, you will see that it has a completely different layout, but it fits the brand perfectly. And more themes are going to be added to this dashboard, so you will be able to customize your own webshop with Vetrinalive with just the click of a mouse button. So as you can see, the Vetrinalive team is really reactive, is really responsive to all your customers' feedback and improving the platform to your needs. So be sure to grab a copy of Vetrinalive today and try it out yourself.